Hello friends, this is a home decor channel, and today we are bringing you the idea of a functional study room, which is stylish too and functional. As you can see that these study rooms are part of some other room too, and these are functional too because they can be used, and you don't need a separate room to make it as your study room, and you can make it functional on these styles of tops, which are providing you enough space and providing you enough space to make it your study table. You can keep your laptop, you can keep your books, and you can study on them, and otherwise some beautiful decoration pieces or planters or vases can be placed on these type of tables, and they look just beautiful. And this type of study room is not a idle part of home which is not in use, and where you cannot do any other thing. This is the part of home which is functional. You can use it, and you can use it for study purposes too. And this type of functional study rooms mostly are part of the living rooms, or you can see the drawing room, or even the side of your bedroom can be your functional study room, and where you can keep your books in a cabinet, and you can study there too. And you can see that even in your living room, a side of your living room can also serve as a purpose of study room, where you can keep your things and you can study. And these functional study rooms are elegant, beautiful, and they are in all the colors, and they go hand in hand with the color theme of the home, and they are just beautiful and amazing, and they are perfect for small homes because you do not need a separate space for them, and you can utilize whatever space is available to you, and you can smartly make a study room there which is functional, and you can use it when you're not studying. You can use it for other purposes. You can use it for sitting there, for talking, for chatting, for having your coffee, and when you are working, it can work as a working table. You can keep your stuff there, and you can keep your planters there, you can keep your decoration pieces there, and this can become your safe haven for spending your time and for reading too. So these are the beautiful styles which are in bedroom and living room. And if you like the type of functional study rooms, the ideas which we brought, please like our video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel so we can keep on working on the home decor topic, and we can keep on bringing you the new ideas about home decor. Thank you.